Hi kids, I am Arivu from Arivu. Today we are going to learn about something super cool. Have you ever wondered how your eyes work? It's like having a tiny magical camera right in your head. Let's dive in and explore the magic of human vision. Our eyes are truly fascinating and complex organs. First, let's talk about light. Light is essential for us to see anything. Light is all around us, and it bounces off objects into our eyes. Without light, we wouldn't be able to see anything at all. Our eyes have a special part called the cornea, which is like a clear window that lets light in. The cornea helps to focus the light that enters our eyes. The light then goes through the pupil, that tiny black dot in the center of your eye. The pupil is like a gatekeeper, controlling the amount of light that enters. The pupil gets bigger or smaller to control how much light enters your eye. In bright light, it gets smaller to protect the eye, and in dim light, it gets larger to let in more light. Next, the light passes through the lens. The lens is flexible and can change shape to help focus light properly. The lens bends the light to make sure it hits the back of the eye perfectly. This bending of light is crucial for us to see clear images. This part of the eye is called the retina. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye. Imagine the retina as a movie screen inside your eye where the pictures are formed. The retina captures the light and converts it into signals that the brain can understand. But here's where it gets really interesting. The retina is not just a simple screen. The retina isn't just a screen. It has special cells called rods and cones that help us see in different conditions. It has special cells called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low light conditions, while cones are responsible for color vision and detail. Rods help us see in low light, like at night. They are very sensitive to light and allow us to see in dim conditions. Cones help us see colors and details when it's bright. They are less sensitive to light, but are essential for seeing fine details and vibrant colors. Once the retina captures the image, it sends this information to the brain through the optic nerve. The optic nerve acts like a messenger, carrying visual information to the brain. The optic nerve is like a super-fast internet connection. It quickly transmits the visual information to the brain for processing. The brain then takes this information and creates the picture we see. The brain processes the signals and forms a coherent image, allowing us to understand what we are looking at. Isn't it amazing how all these parts work together to help us see the world? Our eyes and brain work in perfect harmony to give us the gift of sight. Now, the next time you look around, you'll know the journey light takes to help you see. Remember, every time you open your eyes, a fascinating process is happening. That's all for today, kids. I hope you enjoyed learning about how our eyes work. For more such interesting videos, subscribe to channel Arivu and press the notify button. Stay curious and keep exploring. Explore educational videos available in the channel. See you next time. Keep learning and have fun.